In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy. This is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, is you want to follow these simple steps. Make sure you drop a like on this video and watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now, if you want to start, guys, dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy, I'm going to show you guys the mistakes that you should avoid, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to start this business without getting your account banned, because a lot of people got banned from Etsy because they are using AliExpress. It's not because they are using AliExpress, they are like listing random products and they forgot that Etsy is only selling handmade products. And you can just see, for example, this iPhone case. Click on it and you will find that this iPhone case is handmade. As you can see, handmade. So you can only sell here handmade products. Now the only problem is to find handmade products on AliExpress. Now that's exactly, guys, why I made this video. I want to show you guys how you can find handmade products from AliExpress so that your account will not get banned. Of course, you can list any item on AliExpress, but like after 1 month or 2 months, your account will get banned, just like me. A lot of accounts got banned because I was using the old method, which taking all the products and then listing them on Etsy, because I didn't know that Etsy is like unique. It's special. It's not like other websites like Amazon, eBay. You can only sell handmade products. Now, until I realized that, I started doing dropshipping correctly on Etsy. Now what you need to do, guys, like I said, I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years, so I know, guys, what I'm talking about. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to find handmade products on AliExpress. It just say that iPhone case handmade. Okay, now just search for something that can customize the iPhone case. Okay, I'm just going to add here handmade iPhone case. Okay, now find someone who can add the name to the iPhone case. Okay, so that you will it will look it's like handmade. Okay, it will look like it's handmade. That's what you need to do, guys, to do, for example, this one. Okay, now as you can see, this one says here you can add the name of your you can add your name here in the keys, and after someone purchases this item from you on Etsy, they will tell you the name. And then what you need to do, guys, go to AliExpress and tell the seller the same name that the buyer like when the buyer purchases the item from you on Etsy, they are going to tell you the name. Go to AliExpress, do the same thing, just tell the seller the name, and they are going to add it here in the keys. Now as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see here we do it okay, as you can see, it says you can leave a message to tell us here, or remarks directly in the order remarks, the location to be customized, the letter name. Okay, so like I said, guys, only sell handmade products. Now what you need to do, guys, next is to find an item on Etsy that sells some similar to this. Okay, for example, search for iPhone case, then search for it and find someone who is selling handmade and then custom. Okay, now search for your image name, your image here. Okay, I'm going to select this one, for example. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to find someone who can add the name on Etsy. Okay, who can add the name in the keys. This one, it says here name custom dog phone. Okay, now this one can add the name here. So what you need to do, guys, you want to copy this exact title and then change pet phone case using pet phone pet photo. Now you just want to copy this title and change it and make it better. Okay, for example, anything that says here luxury, you want to delete anything that says luxury. You just want to make a simple title just like this one, but change because you are not selling the same keys. There is no dog in the keys, as you can see. You can just copy this title and then work with it, like change something in the title and then go to your Etsy and start selling. Okay, I'm going to start right now. Now, like if you can find other things like necklaces, for example, necklace for woman custom name. Okay, now as you can see here, guys, it says here custom Arabic name. What you need to do, guys, you want to find someone who is doing the same thing. I'm going to go to necklace, as you can see, for women. And as you can see, a lot of people sell the same thing. I don't know why this doesn't work. For women, now as you can see, a lot of people sell the same thing. Now you want to find something that looks like it's handmade. Okay, you want to go and search for something that doesn't look like very professional, something like this on Etsy, and then start selling. That's all you need to do, guys. I'm going to go to my other account so that I can show you how you can open the shop. Now keep in mind that after someone purchases an item from you on Etsy, go to AliExpress and tell the seller that you are a dropshipper so that you don't include the original price in the package. After that, you can start by clicking shop manager, and then start making your shop. Now here the United States, select United States, dollar, save and continue. Name, shop name, doesn't really matter, shop name doesn't really matter that much. And here you have to upload the pictures on AliExpress. Now to download these pictures from AliExpress, what you need to do, guys, you want to download this extension, download AliExpress images. You want to search for this extension. It's called Ali Save Plus Download AliExpress Images. Click on it, click add extension. Now anytime you open an item on AliExpress, you will see here 4 different options or 3 different options. If the listing doesn't have a video, you will find here 3 different options, and then click download main images. That's exactly how you can download these images, and then you can start listing on your Etsy. Now upload these pictures here. Make sure, like I said, to upload only pictures that looks like it's handmade. Okay, now next thing, you want to add the title. Like I said, copy the title of someone on Etsy that sells the same thing that you want to list. Okay, like copy the title here, and make sure you change a lot of things in the title to make it stand out. Now description, go to Etsy and see if someone is selling the same item that you want to list, and copy the description of that item and paste it here. And then of course you are going to edit something in the description. Doesn't matter, just edit something. And then after that, you just want to put the price and then shipping. I will leave you with this, guys. This is very easy. Just add the quantity here, a variation. If the product has variation, you can add variations. That's all you need to do, guys. And then if you don't know how to list on Etsy, just search on YouTube how to list on Etsy, and you will find a lot of videos on how you can do that. Now, guys, if you want to learn more about this business, drop a like on this video and watch the video in the screen so that you can learn exactly how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy. See you guys in the next video.